What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ben with Hochman Fabrication and Speed, along with Jacob.
Hello.
Super exciting. Anyway, we've got a lot of cool things going on in the shop. We're talking about Sarah's Mustang, which is now in the shop. Sarah's actually the wife of the gentleman that owns Sinclair, that twin turbo Mustang that we did not too long ago. And after the work we completed, she was so happy, along with Ed, the owner, that they decided to bring in their other Mustang. So here it is. We've actually already dug into this one pretty good before starting a video because we were so excited. But this one's pretty cool. I'll give you guys a quick little tour. It's got a couple passengers, as you can see in the back seat. You may have guessed it already what we're doing to this vehicle, but we are going to do a full exhaust on it. And as you can see, Jacob's already removed the rear wheels and laid out what we're going to be doing on this vehicle as well, which is Panhard Bar, in addition to heavy duty rear torque arm. And we've already installed the new headers that they brought in. She brought in a couple of new BBK headers along with some new hardware, and the old stuff that was completely buttered up with silicone is laying over here in the corner. Got it nicely laid out here. Even the stuff that we take off your car that's what we consider junk is treated with royalty around here at Hochman Fab. She had a couple of adapter plates, interestingly enough, which was kind of fooling me when I was pulling everything apart with Jacob. Originally we thought the headers that were brought in for the vehicle were not the right bolt pattern, but it turns out these are not only spacers, but they're really adapter plates. I've never seen that before. It's quite interesting. But nonetheless, today we're going to get started with installing this Panhard bar, followed by the rear torque arm, with the heavy duty torque arm. And then we'll start on the custom exhaust, which we'll be building off the new BBK headers. So stay tuned. And this is a good opportunity to also let you know that if you're new to the channel, we specialize in building high-end fabrication race car components, as well as cars that look as good as they perform. And if you're looking to learn what the process is for building race cars and fabrication and what it takes to be successful, this is definitely the channel for you. So appreciate you guys joining us. Feel free to hit subscribe and like, and leave any comments below. We love hearing your feedback. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get started on this beautiful Mustang. So as you guys can see, we finished the Panhard bar today, and it went pretty smoothly overall. Next we got to do the heavy duty torque arm, and then we're moving on to fabricating a custom exhaust for the car. I know Sarah's going to be really happy And I know she's excited for this thing back, so we're going to be jumping on it here right away. What do you guys think? Let us know what you think in the comments. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already. We love hearing from you guys, and look forward to seeing you next time.